All right. So for this last portion of this assignment, this debriefing activity, I decided to title it "To Teach with Passion." I wanted to bring this up because I think it's I think it's important. I don't want to only dive into this, like, and make it my kind of teaching identity. But I think it's tough for some students when they have things going on in their lives and they're supposed to care about education for whatever reason. And I mean, if they don't fully kind of grasp the concept of why they're in school or why they're learning or going to school or trying to learn or attain more knowledge or become a critical thinker or be able to think for themselves and not just follow what other people tell them, kind of be a knowledge worker, it's kind of sad. So I think it's part of our jobs to care for our students and to want the best for them. I mean, that's why we're teaching. I mean, if we didn't care, why would we, there's no reason to teach. The whole reason to teach is because we want to see our students learn and go on and do better things and to better themselves. And so with that, I don't know who's all going to see this. Dr. DeWall, I don't know if I know my classmates might see it. But yeah, to teach with passion. Because I mean, honestly, you can get kids in your classroom and I mean, they're just on their last straw. And I mean, it could be in any age group. It could be the 3rd grade. It could be the 11th grade. Whatever. Could even be in college. People might not view that as, I mean, they're all just as important. So teach with compassion. So, just care about your students. That's just something I wanted to bring up. And then also, I titled it Teach with Passion, not only to basically be compassionate towards your students, but also to be their cheerleader, to encourage and to excite them about education. So, get them excited about learning, get them excited about doing something new, get them excited about striving towards a career in their life. Whether that be becoming a nurse, becoming a lawyer, becoming a doctor, whatever it is, get them excited about it so that they can go ahead and chase whatever it is that makes them happy, whatever it is that fulfills them, whatever it is that they can do, and go home at the end of the day and feel like they've accomplished something or they did good work that day and they're just kind of satisfied with themselves. And that is all I have to say.